good for him to sit and look at you and tilt and do stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So encouraging that is good. That'll actually help, strengthen that musculature.
Kind of like a physical therapy
Yeah.
or a, what's it called? The occupational therapy kind of,
yeah.
which is just lifestyle movement that you need.
Yes, hi. I see you. Yes, I see you. Yeah, we're going to get in there. We're going to get in there. Yeah, I know.
Is this the actual adjustment? It's just like tension on there until it goes.
Yeah. Again, to hold still. Kind of like
Last time
he's a little bit. Yeah, this time he's got a little more spunks.
A little more spunks and a little more oomph. Yeah. Does that feel good? I bet it does. Bet it does. Am I getting kisses? Hi, Daddy. I like your kisses. Thank you.
What do you think, huh?
Good job. You're looking for mommy, aren't you? Who are you that's holding me? I want my mommy back. He did give me kisses, but now he's... oh, there we go. Kisses.
You don't have a fun job at all. Yeah, and I mean, he's so delicate. Like, he has very low tone, like muscle tone in his neck in general. And so I really do think that it's just, a lot of it is just weakness. Like, he's just got to get used to the weight of his head.
And probably didn't use it as much because it was hurting.
Correct.
And so because he didn't use it, he hasn't done the normal.
And that's actually probably why it showed up later, because as he started growing and his head was getting bigger, he didn't have that, that strength of the musculature because he wasn't using
it. It was more painful to use them, and so he didn't build them as he normally would.
And so now my head's too heavy for my neck.
Also, it may have been there all along. We
just
didn't
notice it.
Yet he really wants you. He's like squirming, trying to get away from me.
Baby.
Back to my mama.
That's better. There we go. Yeah, that's good stuff.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, baby. You're so cute. I bet that feels good. I bet it feels so good.
Drop him.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
That won't help.
No, you don't. Silly boy. Do you see Fenrir? Oh. He looked in the camera for a second and then he got busy with his other business. Fenny's just sitting there like,
he's like, oh yeah.
This is good. I can take this. This is good stuff. And I see my brother. I see my brother. There's Yeti trying to get to him.
Oh my goodness, sir.
Oh, they want each other.
Really? Sweet baby.
Don't eat his ear.
That's why his ear is wet. He's sucking on it or chewing on it or whatever.
Maybe you're